ठहरो ठहरो ठहरो, पहले अंदर डालते हैं, अब नीचे रखना। ओके, तो अब ये वाला उठाओ, ये वो की तरह। Great job. Alright, so we're both installed. Let's put it back and install the hard drives. It was wrong to take the top screws off. You don't have to. So if somebody wants to see, this is what it looks like from this side. This is a fan, kind of bigger than a, looks like a custom fan. I've never seen this size on a laptop. There is your CMOS battery. On this side we are having a tornado watch warning. There's a lot of thunder right now outside.
Hooray!
Good job. खाना नहीं खाता?
खाता है।
सही तरह खोल, फिर ऐसे खोलते हैं।
मैंने इसको कभी खोला भी नहीं हुआ है।
Alright, so pretty neat. This side maybe. Alright, we're all set. Let's install Ubuntu on it.